Budapest, the city with two faces. Imagine standing on a bridge looking left and seeing rolling hills, castles, and cobblestone streets. You turn right and suddenly, boom, you're in the middle of a buzzing metropolis with sleek buildings, ruin bars, and neon lights. Welcome to Budapest, the city with two faces. But why does it feel like two completely different places merged into one? Well, let's find out. Buda, the Regal, quiet side. On one side of the Danube River lies Buda, the classy, historic half of the city. Here you'll find Buda Castle, Fisherman's Bastion, and stunning views that make you feel as if you've stepped into a fairy tale. Life here moves at a slower pace, with charming cafés, lush green hills, and the famous Gellért Baths, perfect for a relaxing soak. If Budapest were a person, Buda would be the wise old storyteller with tales of kings, battles, and ancient secrets. Pest, the lively, modern half. Cross the river Danube to Pest, and you'll be struck by the sudden transformation. The tranquil, historic atmosphere of Buda gives way to the vibrant, fast-paced energy of Pest. This side of the city is the epitome of modernity, with its iconic landmarks, trendy restaurants, and pulsating nightlife. The iconic Parliament building, one of the city's most recognizable landmarks, stands proudly in Pest, attracting visitors from around the world. The ruin bars, with their eclectic decor and lively atmosphere, are a must-visit for anyone looking to experience the city's nightlife. From trendy cocktail bars to underground music venues, Pest has something for every taste and style. Pest is also a shopper's paradise, with its bustling shopping streets, boutique stores, and lively markets. The famous Váci Street, lined with cafes, restaurants, and shops, is a great place to start your exploration. And when the sun goes down, Pest truly comes alive, with its ruined pubs, bars, and clubs offering a night to remember. If Budapest were a person, Pest would be the life of the party, charismatic, energetic, and always up for a good time. With its rich history, cultural attractions, and modern vibe, Pest is the perfect destination for travelers seeking a unique and unforgettable experience. Two cities, one incredible experience. Though Buda and Pest feel like two different worlds, they are inextricably linked, creating a harmonious balance that makes Budapest the incredible city it is. Whether you're sipping coffee on a quiet Buda terrace, exploring the historic castle district, or dancing the night away in Pest, you're experiencing the very essence of Budapest. The city's unique blend of history, culture, and modernity is what makes it so special. And the best part? A simple stroll across the iconic chain bridge lets you travel between these two distinct personalities in minutes. As you walk, take in the breathtaking views of the Danube River and the city's stunning skyline, and get ready to experience the best of both worlds. So, the next time you visit, don't choose between Buda or Pest. Experience both. Do you think Budapest's split personality is what makes it so special, or would it be better as one unified city? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.